covered in rust because I had to bear hug each one of those posts. This dock is going to be pretty awesome though. I'm very excited. What do you think of it, Jack?
It's a lot of hard work.
Yeah. Clay is one hell of a guy. I can't imagine having to drill those with my skid steer, then set them, hammer T-posts in around them, hold them with wire, and then put the concrete in. This whole thing probably would have taken me a week, but with that, they're able to just press them in, and then I'm gonna come back and weld bolts all the way around this, about 4 or 5 or 6 of them, and then I'm going to put concrete around that, and that'll harden onto those bolts, and it will make a kind of mushroom head to spread everything out, and I know it won't sink after that. Covered in rust because I had to bear hug each one of those posts. This dock is going to be pretty awesome though. I'm very excited. Standing down inside of the pond, you can see the pilings or posts, whatever you want to call them. And then of course we will have to run a string level and get them all cut off to the right height. And then we can put some big wide steel on top of that and then start in with our decking. This dock is going to be very, very awesome. Special thanks to Clay. He came out and handled this. We had it done in an hour, and that is so much better than an entire week. I love it. Absolutely love it. I would call what's behind me there a success. Looks pretty good. They're not all perfectly level, but that doesn't matter because we're going to be cutting them off level. And we are going to then be putting C-channel on top of that and then affixing the dock to the top of that. So they don't have to be perfectly level up and down. I love it. I think they came out perfect. They're going to be obscured by the water, and that won't matter. Looks pretty good. I'm going to call that a success.